Hello, my name's Lila. Today I'm going to. Oh, excuse me, my gas a little bit. Today we're gonna. Sorry. Today I'm gonna show you my backyard. So this is my garden. This is my beautiful mid plant. Mmm. 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 Excuse me. And then over here we have a big old flower. Yes, big old flower. And then it was the best one. So we come over here. There's a cow in my backyard. Huh. Okay, I'll find that later. And then over here we have our beautiful peppers. Thank you very much. And then we have a bean plant over here that's really tangling up there. And then we have our most really like excuse me again, tree house. Yes. And then we have sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna leave. Bye.